Today, I'll show you how to get a Twilio phone number, an essential step for using Twilio for messaging, voice, or other communication services. First, log into your Twilio console. Open your browser, go to the Twilio website and click Log In at the top right. Enter your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you can easily sign up. Once logged in, you'll land on the dashboard, the central hub for managing your Twilio account. On the left sidebar, you'll find all your navigation options. If you see only a circle with 3 horizontal dots, it means the menu is collapsed. Click it to expand the full list. Next, navigate to the phone numbers section. Under this section, hover over Manage and select Active Numbers. This will take you to a page showing all the phone numbers currently assigned to your account. Here, each number will display its capabilities like SMS, voice or MMS and allow you to configure webhooks and other settings. Think of this page as your personal directory of Twilio numbers, where you can efficiently manage and assign numbers to projects. And that's it. You now know how to find and manage your Twilio phone numbers, giving you full control over your communication setup. Take your time exploring the dashboard and settings to get the most out of Twilio.